students, this is the last part, that is the 12th part of this chapter, transport in plants. This is based on guttation and wilting, two processes that are found in plants. So let's have a look into these two processes. Transport in plants, and now we are going to discuss about guttation and wilting. So what is guttation? The process of exudation of liquid drops from the edges of leaves is called guttation, or the process of the escape of liquid from the tip of uninjured leaf is called guttation. Usually it occurs through stomata, like pores called hydathodes. Exudation may sometimes occur from stem through the scars of leaves and lenticels. Guttation usually occurs when the plant is put in more saturated atmosphere. So how guttation occurs? Let's see with the help of this video. See, the water is coming out from the tip of the leaf like this. Drop by drop water is coming out. This complete process is known as guttation. So it's very simple to understand now what is guttation. Moving on to the next part, that is wilting. A plant usually fails to survive if it is conditioned to water deficiency. If water deficiency is there, then what will happen? The plant will die. The symptoms appear in the plant part or in the cells due to scarcity of water, also known as wilting. So how wilting occurs? Just have a look into this video. This is a flower which is not having any water supply, so it's starting to wilt. This process of in which this flower is dying, you can see it's dying. So this is known as wilting. It will keep on like its cells will keep on dying slowly and slowly, and the flower will become completely dry. It means it will die. If you have any query, just go to the website askIITians.com, click on the discussion board, select the category of your question type your question over there and get it answered from our experts, the experts of askIITians, within 24 to 48 hours free of cost. So students, this was all about guttation and wilting. I explained you these two processes with the help of two simple videos. I am very sure that you have understood this completely. Now about this chapter. This chapter is complete here, and in this chapter what we have learned till now. Let's have a quick review over this. First, we understood the means of transport across cells, in which we studied about the diffusion and the active transport. Diffusion was again simple diffusion and facilitated diffusion, which was a part of passive transport. Then we moved on to the plant-water relations, which was subdivided into 5, and the first one was osmosis and osmotic pressure. Then we understood about turgor pressure and wall pressure. Then we learnt about diffusion pressure deficit, and after that we studied what is water potential. And lastly, under plant-water relations, we learnt about plasmolysis and imbibition. After that, we switched on to the path of water absorption, the symplast, the apoplast, the transmembrane pathway. And after the path, we learnt about the complete mechanism of water absorption, in which we learnt how xylem and phloem were helping out in this complete mechanism. Then we learnt about the factors which were affecting the rate of absorption, the internal factors and the external factors. After that came transpiration, the process by which the absorbed water is being evaporated into the atmosphere. Then at the end, we learned about guttation and wilting. So this is all about this chapter, Transport in Plants. Hope you have liked it. For more videos, keep tuned to askIITians.com.